For customers to get started on the Find Writers online marketplace, click the Order Content link at the top of the screen to register. Provide your email address, password, confirm your password, choose a username, provide your gender, and check the box to agree to the writer and client terms of service. Next, complete the Google CAPTCHA and then click Register to register your account. After successful registration, you will be able to log in. Next, log in with your username or email and password that you used during registration to go to the dashboard. Now that you've successfully logged into your account, you are ready to secure some credits so that you can post projects to get custom content on the site. Before you get credits, be sure that you are familiar with the cost of the various types and lengths of content you need depending on the writer rank. Content prices can be found from the homepage pricing link. For every type of content, the prices are listed as it relates to a writer's ranking in the marketplace. Bronze writers are the newest writers on the platform, but not necessarily the least experienced in professional writing, and platinum writers have the most experience on the platform and cost a bit more. In between are silver and gold ranked writers. Please note, all writers are carefully screened prior to being assigned writing projects, and all content submitted to you is passed through a plagiarism checker to ensure uniqueness. After you have viewed the pricing, remember to secure the number of credits in dollars that you want to use on the platform to get content. Remember, 1 credit is essentially equal to $1. All payments are secured processed using Stripe. Now that you have credits, it's time to post your first project. From your dashboard, click the Get Content link to do this. Finally, provide a project title, language needed, purpose, focus keywords, choose writer level, category, type of content needed, and number of words needed. Optionally, provide more detailed instructions for your writer. This helps to ensure a successful project. Finally, click the Place Order button below and your project should be posted. Sign up today at www.findwritersonline.com and submit your writing project via the secure order form.